Never up, never down, never.
I have a couple of projects around the house that I've been putting off and meaning to get done but haven't, so I decided on this weekend that I was just finally going to get everything done. So I'm going to put together this bookshelf, decide where it's going to go, and then I have a front porch light, a patio light, and a hall light that I am going to install.
Never thought I wouldn't jump.
There is no one here except me and my dog, so I have no idea who I'm pointing and talking to. I have absolutely no idea what I was doing here, maybe trying to figure out how much space was in the hallway if I was carrying something. When I saw this playback for the first time when I was editing, I was dying laughing so hard. I thought that maybe lining these shelves up like this would make it easier for me to put the arms on, but I quickly realized that was not going to work. Don't be fooled by this piece of paper in my hands. I know it looks like I'm reading the directions, but I'm not. After I put the first section on, I quickly realized that I incorrectly screwed the bottom in, so I have to take it back off again. And now I'm actually reading the directions.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for.
While you watch me put this together, I will shamelessly plug my Instagram. If you're not following me over there, you can go to Never Not Cleaning. I can't post here on YouTube on the community page because I don't have 1,000 followers, so I do try to post over at Instagram as much as possible.
I played for you, I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you, that one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
Poor giraffe. This was my favorite one too. That sucks. When I started putting that bookshelf together, I intended for it to go in this spot, but before I moved it into the hallway here, I had to change out the light. I do have video of me changing out that light, however, I didn't have it angled up at the right space, so I went ahead and just changed it out, and now I'm trying to figure out where to hang it. I'm still not 100% I'm going to keep this light, so I'm hanging it with command strips. So far, it's been a week, and it's still up there just fine, so eventually I'll screw it into the wall.
You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking.
After moving it here and standing back to look at it, I realized that it does fit okay in this spot, and it really doesn't take up any more space than the table did that was there. But I decided that it was just too much for this small corner, so I'm going to put it in the guest bedroom, which is actually where it was originally purchased to go, in this spot right when you walk in the door.
Since I met you for the first time, you know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Everything feels so abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act. Well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do.
It does come with anchors so that when you screw it into the wall, it's secure. But the very first screw, when I was making a pilot hole to put the anchor in, hit a stud. So I didn't bother with anchors on either side.
Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you say.
This hallway is so much brighter now with that light mostly because it's LED lights, and the other one was just like a little candelabra. I think that's how you say it, candelabra light. And I also have these motion sensor lights that go around the baseboard, so at nighttime, if anybody, usually my granddaughter, walks out of her room to use the bathroom, the light comes on and she can see.
How it hurts to see you smile, like a dagger hit me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire.
Now I'm just gonna put everything back on this table, except for my poor little giraffe.
My heart drops when you play around.
This is the picture that was on the wall in the guest bedroom where the shelf was just installed. And it's not really a very fancy frame, and it's just a print I got at IKEA. But since it's feathers, and I do have feathers on the other side as well, those are a printed canvas that are actually framed. I'm going to go ahead and hang it here since it kind of goes with the aesthetic, but it's not really very pretty. I think if I got a nicer frame for this print, it would look fine. I just don't really 100% like it in this frame. I got these lights in a set of 2 from Amazon. They're dusk till dawn lights, so they go off at dawn and on at dusk.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me.
Do you guys do your own DIY projects around the house? Changing lights and light fixtures and even electrical outlets is really super easy to do. My best friend's husband showed me how to do it, so I do all these sort of things around my house now.
Like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Of course, when you make these kind of changes, I think it goes without saying you have to turn off the breaker and make sure that there is no power. So I'm going to go back inside, turn the breaker on, and it works.
I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get.
The first one went so quickly and smoothly, I thought I was going to be able to do the second one. And I thought I was also going to be able to do it before it started raining. So I don't know if you noticed me look real quick there. It is starting to sprinkle already. I had changed out the light bulb in this one many years ago with one of those bulbs that actually look like fire. And when I took the light bulb out, I didn't realize that was what was holding in the glass globe for the rest of the fixture. That sucked.
I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once.
So now it's not just sprinkling, it's full-blown raining, and I'm trying to hurry up and clean this up so I can get the light switched out before it starts pouring. But that actually doesn't happen in this video. I do get it cleaned up, and I do end up having to switch out the light while it's raining, because I don't want to put the old one back up. I want to just hurry up and finish it. So that's going to be the end of the video. You don't get to see me switch out the second light, but you're just going to have to take my word for it. It went flawlessly after I cleaned everything up. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I do appreciate it, and if you like this kind of DIY content, click like and subscribe. I'll see you next week.